up, guys? Today we're going to be trying the new flavor of FaZe Rugs candy, 1-Up freeze-dried sour strips. Alright, resealable? Okay. By the way, I'm recording this on Easter. If you guys see this today, happy Easter. If not, say okay. Jeez, hold on. Ah. I have to open FaZe Rug. It's fine. Oh, jeez. So, kind of hard to open, but when I actually eat the candy, I will be reviewing it. Really hard to open. I request scissors. Be right back. I'm back and got some scissors. Okay, here we go. Wait, mine are blue. That's my brother from. Sour and blue raspberry. Pretty good. That taste is
Anna, bring up those chips.
7.5 and a half. Now we have the freeze-dried sour strip rainbow flavor. Not too good. 5 out of 10. Before I go, make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.